Hi, I'm Chad Delventhal. If you were hurt in a bus accident, you already know how quickly a normal day can become overwhelming. One moment you may be riding as a passenger, driving near a bus, walking across the street, or taking your child to or from school. The next, you are dealing with pain, medical appointments, missed work, transportation problems, and questions about who is responsible. Bus accident cases can involve many different injuries: neck and back injuries, concussions, shoulder injuries, knee injuries, broken bones, nerve pain, headaches, and injuries that may not fully show up until hours or days after the crash. That is why it is important to take your symptoms seriously and get medical care if something does not feel right. Bus accident cases can also be more complicated than a typical car accident. The bus may be owned by a city, school, private company, rideshare service, church, daycare, or transportation provider. There may be different insurance policies, different rules, and different deadlines depending on who operated the bus. One of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming the company, school, city, or insurance carrier will simply do the right thing. The adjuster may sound helpful. They may say they just need your side of the story, but their job is to limit what gets paid. A recorded statement, a quick settlement offer, or even a casual comment about how you are feeling can be used later to minimize your claim. After a bus accident, evidence matters, photos of the vehicles matter, photos of the scene matter, the police report matters. Witness information, medical records, bus company records, driver information, maintenance records, route information, video footage, traffic cameras, and documentation of missed work can all become important. If a government entity is involved, there may also be special notice requirements and shorter deadlines. The sooner that evidence is preserved, the better. If you were involved in a bus accident, get medical care, follow your doctor's instructions, keep your appointments, save your paperwork, and be careful before signing anything from the insurance company. Do not settle your injury claim before you understand the full extent of your injuries and how they may affect your future. At Delventhal Law Office, we help injured people and their families understand what comes next after a bus accident. We investigate what happened. We identify who may be responsible. We deal with the insurance companies. We review the evidence. We work to understand the full impact of your injuries, including medical bills, lost wages, pain, limitations, and future treatment. Our goal is to take pressure off you so you can focus on healing. Every bus accident case is different. Some involve passengers, some involve pedestrians, some involve other drivers, some involve children, some involve public transportation or school buses. Some cases resolve through settlement, some require a harder fight, but the first step is understanding what happened, what evidence exists, what deadlines apply, and what options you have, guys. If you or someone you love was hurt in a bus accident in Fort Wayne or anywhere in Indiana, contact Delventhal Law Office for a free consultation. We're here to help you understand what comes next.